Happy summer, everybody. My name is Joe Bertels, and I'm the District Sales Manager for Cougar in the Midwest and Texas. Today, we'd like to show you a little bit about our brand new Cougar travel trailer, the 29 FKD. Over my shoulder, you can see we've got a beautiful painted front cap, large windshield that lets tons of natural light in here. Let's take a walk around and see what else this travel trailer has to offer. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch the video on our new 29 FKD travel trailer. As always, go to KeystoneRV.com to get more information on floor plans, specs, options, build configurations. Find your local dealer as well. Get out there and see this floor plan for yourself. Have a great summer. See you out there. Happy camping.